Today, I'll show you how to add products in Klaviyo, a popular email marketing platform that integrates seamlessly with your e-commerce store. Adding products to your email templates is a powerful way to enhance your marketing efforts, allowing you to showcase the latest items directly to your customers. So, let's dive in and get started with this straightforward process. First, you'll need to open your email template within Klaviyo. Once you're in, you'll notice a variety of tools on the left sidebar panel. What you want to do next is drag the product block from this panel directly onto your layout canvas. This action is simple and only requires a quick drag and drop, but it's a crucial step as it sets the stage for you to display your products to potential customers. After you've placed the product block on your canvas, turn your attention to the left configuration panel. Here you will find an option labeled Content Type. You'll need to select Static from the list of options. The reason for choosing static is that it allows you to manually select and display specific products from your catalog. This gives you control over which products you want to highlight in your email, ensuring that you're showcasing the best or most relevant items for your audience. Next, you'll see an Add Products button. Go ahead and click on it. This action will prompt a pop-up window to appear, showing your live store catalog. It's important to note that this catalog is directly synced with your e-commerce platform, so all your latest products should be right there at your fingertips. You can either browse through the list or use the search function to find specific items you want to feature. Now comes the fun part. Within this pop-up window, you'll be able to check the boxes next to the products you wish to include in your email. Klaviyo allows you to select up to 9 products, so choose wisely. Consider which products will most appeal to your subscribers or align with the theme of your email campaign. Once you've made your selections, click the Add Products button to finalize your choices. And there you have it. You've successfully added products to your Klaviyo email template. This process not only helps you highlight new or popular items, but also keeps your emails dynamic and engaging. By regularly updating the products in your emails, you can keep your audience interested and encourage more clicks and conversions. A couple of tips to enhance your product emails. Always ensure your product images are high quality and that your descriptions are clear and enticing. Additionally, consider adding a call to action, such as a limited time offer or discount, to motivate your customers to make a purchase. Thank you for following along with this guide. Adding products to your Klaviyo emails can significantly boost your marketing efforts, and now you know how to do it effortlessly. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider exploring other features Klaviyo offers to further optimize your email marketing strategy. Happy emailing!